Greetings YouTube. Today we're looking at an IKEA lamp. We're in the dark. We are no longer in the dark. The lamp is currently pointed at the ceiling. It is a gooseneck design, so you can very much point it where you want. Like, for example, at a book. This is probably looking very bright, but for me, this is like the perfect lighting amount to read this book easily. And we're looking at the archetype section of Occult Adventures for the Pathfinder game. A very nice Shire archetype, kind of a Japanese vibe here, or Chinese vibe. But this is a perfect example of a very simple design. It's just an LED gooseneck lamp. It's got a simple switch a couple of inches down the cord. This particular model is gold. I'll show you in a minute. And it really does exactly what I need it to do, which is allow me to read in bed. That's what I use this for. I read in bed. When I'm ready to go back to sleep, I just point it back out of my way so it's not in my way. And then I just flick the switch and you're in the dark. And one of the things I like about this, when you bounce it off the ceiling, it actually gives the room a nice ambient glow. So I can easily see everything in this room for maneuvering around if I need to get up in the dark. And I want something that isn't going to like completely blind me. So long as it's pointed at the ceiling and it's not shining in my eyes, this is a very comfortable light. Take my word for it. When this is on and I try to read the clock that's sitting here on the side of my bed, it is not easy to do. I have to like cover the light because it is very bright when you look right at it. But when you're just looking like this, it's very comfortable and it's quite readable. And then you put it where you want it, and you're good to go. And I really like this. I looked around for an LED reading light for a while, and I'm like, my brain suddenly was like, you know, why don't you look at IKEA? Because IKEA has these things down pat, man. And they do, in fact, have things down pat. In fact, you look way over there, you can see chickens. 2 chickens and a pig. But yeah, simple design. And now I'll go turn the ceiling light on so you can take a look at this and see how I have it set up on my nightstand. So here you go. Again, a very simple design. 1 LED bulb. I will not turn that on at the moment with the plastic lens. Kind of looks like an alien antenna kind of thing from some 1950s horror movie, or maybe from a Star Wars film. And just a simple clip, and then here is the light switch itself. Simple, elegant. I think this is available in chrome or this kind of brassy color, coppery color. I like the color that this was. I like the brassy color. I think it fits a little better with the aesthetic. And yes, that's a bear hat. And so this is what I use for reading when I'm in bedroom. And just as a little bonus, this is how I store my books. It's a magnetic holder, just envelope kind of thing for mail and things. I put my books in it. That way I have my book and my light right where I need them if I want to read in bed, which I frequently do. So again, simple, clean, elegant design. I should have gone with IKEA all along. I spent like an hour one day poking around the internet trying to find a good LED lantern for my desk, and then all of a sudden, ding in my head, look at IKEA. And 5 minutes later I had the model I wanted. Like, hey, look at that, exactly what I need. And it was very reasonable priced. I think this was like in the $10 to $15 range. Even with shipping, that was very reasonable, and it showed up promptly, and I'm very happy with it. Like, no setup. Take it out of the box, take the plastic off, clip it on there, and you're good to go. At the moment, I'm looking for a lamp for my wall. I'm looking for a lamp I can put on my wall for larger lighting requirements. I had a lamp here that was mounted on my nightstand. until Moon Pie has shown that she will do anything to wake my wife up, including knocking the lamp off my nightstand, which is why you see all those things over there, which are boxes, because I can't have loose objects on my nightstand, because she will just knock them onto the floor. Into my boots sometimes. My boots. So I put everything in boxes so that she can't access them. But there you go. This has been an IKEA LED booklight that I happen to really like.